Hello and welcome to Perfect Q Cooking Channel. My name is Jeff. Today we're making a nacho cheese sauce, but there's no dairy in this. We've had skeptical people like my neighbor, our relatives have tried this, and they had no idea that this wasn't a dairy product. So let's look at what the mise en place is for this. 1.5 cup of diced potatoes, 1/4 cup of carrots. We have raw cashews, 1/4 cup. Those are soaking to soften those up. We have nutritional yeast here, which is 1.5 tablespoons. We have 1 teaspoon of onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic. We have jalapeno, if you wanted to put that in a spoon, probably 2 tablespoons. And the last thing here would be the lemon juice, which is 3/4 teaspoon. Once we got all this put together, what we're going to do in the next step is we're going to take the potatoes and the carrots, we're going to put them in cold, and then we're going to turn on the burner and bring that to a boil. All right, so we have the potatoes and carrots here on the stove. This is not at a boil. Again, this is cold water. We are going to bring it to a boil, but the goal here is to soften these items, and then you do want to save the juice, and you'll see why later. All right, so we have our potatoes, carrots, and we put the cashews in here because we're going to put all that in the blender. And pretty much from here, everything that I showed you earlier in the video is going to go in the blender at this point. We have that. Let's go with nutritional yeast. And then the onion powder and garlic powder. We're going to add some kosher salt, a little bit now and then a little bit towards the end to make sure that we have the salt, the flavor that we want with it. Something like that, maybe a little more. There you go. And then my wife knows I like jalapenos, and this does add a little bit of spice to it. So we're going to put that in there. And the last thing we didn't mention earlier is we are going to put about a cup's worth of the juice in there. The lemon juice. The oven's done for something else we're eating. All right, so all that's in there. I'm going to put the cover on. This is the first time I've used this. So I was told to go ahead and hit start. Plug it in. And I'm going to leave that in the video. I think that's funny. There we go. And it's on here, right?
Mm-hmm. It's already on.
So hit start. And it depends on your blender. I'm actually going to turn it up full speed in a little bit here. And this sound I am going to cut out just because it's kind of annoying. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and try it, even though I've had it several times and absolutely love it. I mean, you can throw a garnish on there. I'm a jalapeno guy, so I'm going to take and put one of those on there. I want to try this on people. My neighbor, unfortunately, isn't home today. But I want to go around and go, hey, what do you think of this cheese? And they'll be like, oh, it's really good. Where'd you buy that? Huh, I didn't. And I'll ask them if they think it has dairy in it, and it doesn't. This actually, to me, tastes creamier, I feel, than anything you can buy in a jar. Definitely try this recipe. I'll put all the details in the description. Thank you, guys, and have a great day.